Hello, Captain Moo here, and today I'm at lift 1, which takes a very long time to level, more than 15 seconds. Yep, there's lift 1. Oh, here it is. There's a window here. 3's been pressed for some reason. This lift is very confused.
Doors closing.
3 is lit. Honestly. Here we go.
Well, this is free. We're now going down to 2.
No, fast.
We might go past 2.
No, past
Go
0.
straight to 0.
Fairfield Street.
Yeah, we're out
That
on the
is
street.
very fast. Takes forever to level, as I said. It levels before you can see the other window through this window. It's so ridiculous. I'm trying to stop the doors from becoming curved in my other episodes. This lift is no longer out of order. That's what I'm really excited about. Indicator's not working.
Sam, let's let the man go. It's alright, you go. No, we're fine.
Yeah. Now this time I'll take.
Wait till the man's gone, okay?
Yeah, why?
Because it'll open the doors again for him.
They don't work as a set, I don't think. Let's check. That one's going up.
Okay.
Here we go. Here it is. It's coming. It's finally working. So glad it's finally working. This one has better levelling. There's a door open button over here. Fairfield Street. All of them are on a lock for some reason. Let's go up to 3. There go the 2-speed doors on this one. So stop there, stop. This one is slower than the other one. Seems like on both of them the indicators don't work. Floor 2.
Okay.
And here's floor 3. This one has been nicely maintained actually, but I'm not sure why they've got keys for the upper concourse, Fairfield Street and platform there. Them doors are very impatient actually. But they're quite irresponsive doors. No lifts in there. Yep, let's finish the tour here for both of these lifts. Oh, classic alarms, that's nice. But that's been Captain Moo in not 1 but 2 of these unknown lifts. So, bye.